Yeah. Society. Rules. Regulations.
What do we have to do? You must wear a seatbelt in the car. You have to pay money at the bar. You don't have to wear a tie to school, but you must follow every single rule. I have to work late, I have a deadline. You should call your mother, it would be nice. Must, internal feeling. Have to, external dealing. Should, good advice. Don't have to, you have a choice. You mustn't smoke here, it is banned. Try to understand, try to understand. Do we have to book a table tonight? You really should try to be polite. She has to wear a uniform at work. She hates it, calls the boss a jerk. We must remember to buy some bread. Listen to the words that I have said. Must, internal feeling. Have to, external dealing. Should, good advice. Don't have to, you have a choice. You mustn't smoke here, it is banned. Try to understand, try to understand. Mustn't means prohibition. Don't have to means no obligation. You mustn't touch the fire, you don't have to run. Big difference. Big shadow, big shadow. Big shadow, big shadow, big shadow. You have to go. You must leave. Big shadow. You should stay. Big shadow. Follow the rules.